Joe?
Hi, Tyler.
What's in the what's in the bay today?
Some Chevy power.
Chevy power. We got a ZL1.
Yep.
What are you doing to it?
Oh, AWE cat pack.
Little exhaust action.
Oh, exhaust action.
So, shall we get a little rev of the stock?
You a, before and after, definitely. Hear the difference between a stock system and what this one's gonna be.
It looks like the track edition.
I'm gonna guess so.
So hopefully it's pretty loud. Little muffler section there.
Mufflers.
Yeah. Well, let's hear what it sounds like before. All right, Joe, let's hear it. It's actually not bad.
No, it's not that
It sounds good.
It definitely sounds good, especially having the valves to be able to open up.
Yeah.
Definitely makes this sound a lot better than just a stock with no valves.
Yeah. Well, let's get to it.
Let's make it louder.
Well, Joe, the exhaust is on.
Yep, exhaust is all on. Nicely all put in there. AWE makes a real nice product.
They do.
Real easy for this car.
Cool. Well, let's hear it.
Give you a cold start.
That's the bone saw! Much better.
Oh yeah.
Definitely proper for this car.
Definitely sounds a lot better, and when once you get down the road, get some power behind it, you'll really get a difference in it.
Oh yeah. Thanks, Joe.
No problem.
All right, Fudge. Back at it. What do we got in the bait today? Wow, a dirty GT3.
GT3. We have
A dirty
Porsche,
one.
GT3. Yeah, but it's got full body. Clear, bro.
It does, yeah. Full body PPF
So
on
even
it.
when it's dirty, it ain't dirty.
Right.
It's clean.
Right. It is
You know
clean.
what I mean?
It is.
Yeah. So what we have here is something that came in a box about 15 sizes at the time.
15 sizes.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Come on, bro. Just that was in there?
Yeah, bro. You know, when you
It's
pay $8,000 for
a Krokavich.
What?
It's a Krokavich.
A Polvik.
A Krokavich.
Do you know what that is?
What is it, Fudge?
Turbo kit. I'm just kidding. This piece right here, the plastic on the bumper.
Yeah.
It's a carbon diffuser.
Okay.
From Ekolopovic. And then we have some more goodies in this,
Okay.
this little box right here, Tyler.
Oh, this is from our boys over at Suncoast, huh?
Suncoast. Ready for this? You ready for this?
Wow.
carbon, the whole assembly. So I gotta take the mirrors out and you know, do the whole 9. But that's gonna look really nice because
it will.
Those mirrors,
it will.
It's just so boring.
Yeah, no, it is, especially when they're paint matched.
Yeah, and this is a beautiful car.
It is. These wheels with the carbon on the mirrors.
And follow me.
Let's see it. Let's see it. What do we got?
See that right there? He's so rude. So rude.
He ruined the clip.
That's the owner.
What do we got? K40?
K40, Alcantara, and wow.
You know what?
That's
a
6-speed.
This is a unique spec, Fudge. We got red stitching,
yes, sir.
Blue seat belts,
yes, sir.
and blue around the headlights up here. Wow. And previously, before Rally to Give, this car was on Rally to Give, we did the exhaust on it.
Yes, sir.
Let's go see it.
Okay.
It has carbon tips,
The only thing
too.
it's missing is wrapping in purple now.
It has carbon tips, too. FI.
Only if the exhaust is Akrapovic. And it's okay.
I know. That's all right. That's all right. But
Martin put this exhaust on before
did.
the Rally, yeah. That's why the tip's crooked, but that's okay.
Thanks, Fudge.
The next day.
All right, Fudge. There he is. So the GT3 is all finished up. You added the nice Akrapovic.
That's a beautiful piece.
It is. It is. Yeah. It came out really nice.
It looks really good on the car. It fit really nicely.
Yep.
It matches the tips.
Yep. So we have the FI carbon tips on there as well.
Yep.
It's all carboned out on the back now. The only thing that I think that would be cool if he got would be like the side blades in carbon.
Yeah.
And we did the mirror caps as well. Those came out nice.
Oh, well, the whole mirror assembly actually.
Yep.
So I changed these two pieces here.
Yep.
They got different color like plastic.
Yeah.
I kind of like the way it goes with the gray a little bit better.
It looks good.
Yeah, but it adds obviously our carbon mirror caps.
Yep.
And then we did a full service on it too. So
sweet.
She's ready for the road.
Awesome.
Again.
Thanks, Fudge.
No problem.